I know lash stylists, because we are so nice, we can be very, very soft when it comes to refill policies and what is accepted as a refill. So we have to train our clients. So your clients will only do to you what you allow them to do to you. So if a client comes in with, let's say, 10 lashes dangling on per eye and she's booked in for 45 minutes, it's not really a refill. So for the first time, we'll let it slide. Maybe she doesn't know any better. She's quite new to extensions, or she's never been to your salon before. Let's call her Mandy. Oh, Mandy, you don't have very many lashes left. You've only got 5 on one eye and 10 on the other eye. I'll try my best to get them as full as possible for you, but today I'll only have time to work on the outer 2/3. I'll try my best to get them on as quickly as possible, but they probably won't be as full as what you're expecting them to be, or as full as your initial set. So that way you're going to lower her expectations straight away, and she knows that she needs to book in sooner for her next refill, or book in for a longer appointment. So make sure you say that, otherwise they'll keep doing it, and you'll just get resentful of your clients.